Hey, my name is Steve Lulas from Veterans Q Barbecue Sauce. About 2 years ago, I bought my first smoker and I started cooking in the backyard for my friends and neighbors. One thing led to another. I ended up competing in barbecue competitions and I created my own barbecue sauce called Veterans Q Barbecue Sauce. Veterans Q Barbecue Sauce was named as Maxim magazine's 15 best damn barbecue sauces in America for 2017. What makes Veterans Q different than other companies is that we donate 100% of our profits to veteran organizations. Our mission is to honor and support veterans through barbecue. Currently, you can buy Veterans Q Barbecue Sauce in 20 different stores in 4 different states. You can also buy it on Amazon and at veteransq.com.